myself is Guruji Gopinath Swami. Our office is Sri Mahashiva Agastya Sukshama Nadi Yojana and Research Center. In Tamil Nadu, we are doing only research. We are guiding many people. Myself is PhD, doctorate in philosophy. We are guiding many more researchers around Tamil Nadu. Okay. Many people, students who are all doing research, they are coming to our center and they will do research and they will ask many doubts and questions. We are doing free for the student service.
Allora, fanno ricerca e danno insegnamenti, dicono, gratis per tutte le persone.
At present, as a fifth generation, we people are doing this service to the people.
Sono la quinta generazione che fa questo.
Okay, at present, our Guruji will light the candle. Each one of you have to light the wick. One wick. For each member, 1 wick. Right? After that, that 5 members are going to get reading. Those members have to light, especially have to light this incense sticks. Each one have to light the incense stick and they have to fix it there. Yeah, this one.
The center one.
The big one.
Yeah.
ओम गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कवित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशं कारणं नमामि सर्वादमङ्गजम् ओम अच्युतपजाय विद्महे वासगस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् शुक्लां वरदनं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वमङ्गलविघ्नोपशान्तये नित्याय मङ्गलाय बुधाय गुरुदेवाय शुक्राय शनिदेवाय राजदेवे त्रिकाशीमान् वशक दीर्घश्मङ्गलिव सकल परिवार दोषः
Please here.
Yeah, when you are going to the temple, you can wear this. Okay. Yeah. It is our tradition. In the sai, அது எப்படி அந்த of that. This three translations. How many people are there? 1962. Whose date of birth is 1962?
தனியா முக்கியம் தனியா எழுத்து விடுங்க.
Shall we go? Madam, you are completing the picture. You are coming now. You know, that only that's a lesson for you of oxygen. Yes. சார் நீங்க ஃபீட்பேக் தரணும் தம்பி. முன்னாடி ஒரு petition.
No, next time.
மேடம் எதனா
Okay.
அது கேட்கறது செகண்ட் மாடிக்கு காட் நாயக்கன் தெருவுல பாரத தம்பி. ஆமா ஆமா பாரத